Okay, for this video, if you could tell by the title, I think probably the loudest sound that you can make with your tongue. Probably. Well, I know it's going to be for sure in my city. I'm for sure. Well, probably in my family, of course. No? Yeah, in my city. Ready? What do you guys think? Dang, that sounds cool. I'm recording with my laptop webcam thingy. I'm looking. So that way. That way. What's that? Anyhow, that was my loudest sound. I'll say that first by time. If you think you could do louder, put in the video in the description. And bye.